What's up, guys? So yeah, as you guys just saw, this 92 Civic EK, I believe, is my winter beater. Alright, so a little bit about this car. I bought it off a buddy. It was just $500. I already branded the hell out of this car, trying to put every existent local slap or sticker on this window here. And if you guys want to send stuff to the P.O. box, any stickers, I'll sticker bomb the other window on the other side if you guys want to send me stickers to throw on this thing. So this car's branded, got the banner on the front. Yeah, I don't know really what else to say. It's just a beater. It's going to be a drift, front wheel drive, winter drift slut warrior build. So stay tuned for that. Drum brakes in the rear, only the best. Yeah, 5-speed manual. This is the SI. Surprisingly, it's got all the options like sunroof and power everything except the windows, which is weird to me. This is the worst damage that it has. Drift damage, you know, no big deal. So first thing that I'm probably gonna do is, same as Charles's beater, the garden edging front lip. I'm gonna put it on, and probably in this video that you're watching right now. So yeah, Charles just pulled up here with his beater, just nailed the back of my car. Love tap. Picking up orders here from Jesse's that we got to ship out today. So you know, we're doing beater things and running errands. We're gonna be doing front wheel drive drift tandems this winter. Those videos should be hilarious. And we're not really gonna care if we hit each other. That's the whole point of having beaters, right? It's gonna be funny. This is how Charles's fenders are holding up. Chopped to shit. Not bad, not bad. We all got the midnight slap on our dash. So yeah, time to squeeze this box into my car. Then we're gonna go hit up Home Depot, get some self-tapping screws so I can install this garden edging lip, just like this Charles has. So yeah. Also, the car came with this deck, pretty nifty. Just got this auxiliary. Barely works, but it's better than the radio. The heat, this only works on 3 and 1, I believe. Nothing else. These are always so sticky. Common Honda thing. Yeah, 224,000 kilometers. It's got VTEC, no big deal. And it has an exhaust leak. The guy said the exhaust was rusting off really bad, so it kind of just fell off. So pretty sure it's like half of exhaust right now. Follow me first? Yeah, I'll follow you. My window doesn't work, so. Yeah, this window doesn't work, so he's got to use this window to talk to everyone. Okay, yeah, you lead. El Chapo. Did you hear that backfire? That Fitment gang. Alright, I'm gonna give Charles a little love tap here. He's reversing, just reversed into me. It was a battle of who had more torque. Now he's gonna be brake checking me. Every light is an opportunity now to give love taps. Oh shit, oh shit. Yeah, fuck it. We should not be doing this. That was battle scars. So I lost Charles on the way, but I'm at a Home Depot now, so I'm gonna get the hardware for the lip. And looks like this is about all the damage that came from hitting Charles. Not too bad. So yeah, gonna go in now, grab some hardware, and then put this lip on.
No, that's a lot.
So as I was in there, I remembered that I do have self-tapping screws at home. I don't know if they're big enough, but it's worth checking rather than buying a whole set. So yeah, basically what I'm gonna do now is just do a quick run to the post office, ship out all these orders here, and then go home and then check the self-tapping screws that I have there, and then install the front lip. Clean bug eye. I can smell the burning oil. Just Honda things. Yes, dude. So this is all I had at home. It's these self-tapping screws, but they're kind of long. But I think they'll do the job. I'll just have to do a few more than usual, just to make sure that it stays on. But yeah. So this is the before. Can't really mock it up there to show you guys, but pretty much like this all the way along. Just gonna start on this side here, hold it up like this right on the edge, and then just self-tap screw one by one all the way across. I'm pretty much gonna be going along this black part of the bumper like that. Got myself a gun. This is definitely a two-person job, so hopefully it doesn't turn out too bad. First one's in. Minty. The progress so far. I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. Alright, so right now I'm about halfway done. Same. So what I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory. Self-tapping screws every like few inches, just so it's like sturdy and strong. It isn't moving much, and I don't want to tear this thing off first snow pile or anything like that. So that's kind of why I'm using a lot of hardware here. Alright, just finished the lip, have the end here with the excess. I'm gonna just cut it with a knife just along here, and then we should be done. This whole process took about only like 2 minutes, so super easy, super cheap. I think this was like $20, and it was enough for 2 cars, mine and Charles's, plus this much extra, so not a bad DIY mod. And here's the finished product of the front lip. So yeah, happy with how it turned out. Like I said, budget build, cheapest parts, cheapest anything is going on this car. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do or any of us should do to our beaters, we're down to do anything. So leave your suggestions in the comments below, and we'll probably do them to our beaters here. That's what it is, right? We're just having fun. We're gonna ruin these cars, build them up the cheapest ways possible, and yeah, just enjoy them really. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Oh, and here's my custom exhaust system that I was telling you guys about. There it is. Let me give you guys a sound clip real quick. Looks like there's a lot of smoke. The previous owner of this car had it for about 3 or 4 years, and they babied it. They granny shifted at like 2 RPM, so I'm just trying to clean the carbon out of the system, you know what I mean? This thing grips really well. It needs a small adjustment, but for what it's going to be used for and how much it's going to be used, it's perfect. Upcoming video, there's a little sneak peek, little clue.